was just about to text him that too.
I'll let you know later. How you doing?
Give me one second. We gotta hurry. We're a little bit on schedule.
All right. We're going to be quick. So, good day. My name is Harry Rosenberg, and I'm here with my colleague and co-counsel, Sean Clark. He's going to have a few statements, but we're here in the presence of Jeff Vappie, who we're representing today, and we have that privilege of representing Mr. Vappie through this proceeding. Sean's going to have a few words to say shortly.
Thank you, Harry, and good morning, everyone. Jeff Vappie grew up in a family of New Orleans cops, and he served this city for 28 years as a New Orleans police officer. He protected the citizens of the city, and later in his career, he served to ensure the mayor's safety. He fulfilled those responsibilities with loyalty to the city and loyalty to the mayor. Jeff Vappie is collateral damage in a long federal investigation of the mayor. And so after nearly 3 decades as an esteemed police officer, he stands accused of federal crimes that could send him to prison. But contrary to the U.S. Attorney's rhetoric, what the government has charged Jeff with are matters of personal conduct. They are not federal crimes. So Jeff will walk into court today with his head held high, and he will plead not guilty because he is not guilty of the crimes charged.
Is there a romantic
Sorry.
relationship?
Harry?
We're not going to answer questions at this point, but I do want to say thanks, Sean. Jeff Vappie respects this court, respects the legal process, wants to go forward with the proceedings so that he can clear his name once and for all, because this has just been tarnished, Mr. Vappie, unfairly.
Harry, it's taxpayer money. What do you have to say about that?
And we're going to respond to the questions at the appropriate time, but honestly, on the courthouse steps is not the place to clear Jeff Vappie's name. It's in the court proceeding.
And I'm afraid we got to get in there.
Did Vappie want to say anything?
No, we're going to speak.
Collateral damage. Are you two married?
Vappie, are you married to the mayor?
When you get to the trial, that's when you'll hear Jeff tell his story.
What about the restrictions on the contact?
Well, we're gonna.
Were on her fingers the other day.
Mark.
Did you marry her?
We got to get in. We got to get going, guys.
Can you talk about the taxpayer money? Is he going to pay that back?
What
Thanks.
about their restrictions on their contact? How does that work?
Thanks. Well, we, as we said, we gave a statement, and today that's all we're going to say. But again, stay tuned.
Well, people want to know about their money.
I'm sorry. We expect you to be there in the courtroom, because in the courtroom is where Jeff is going to tell his story, and he's going to tell it to a jury, and that jury, not the U.S. attorney, is going to decide whether he is guilty or not guilty.
Will he tell the story about how it all began in Scotland?
Well, you'll have to be there. Will you be there?
We'll be there.
I'm counting on you.
And Mr. Vappie, how do you specifically respond to allegations that you have this relationship on taxpayer money?
Collateral damage is a big claim for someone you were in a relationship with. How does that make you feel?
I know Jeff would love to talk to you guys today, but he has 2 lawyers who won't let him do it. But thank you all for being here.
Thank you, Tom.
Does he feel dishonest about it? Thank you all. Take care of
Yeah, good job, everybody. Way to play together.
Very civil.
Camera's still live. Camera's still live.
Wolf, for your stuff later. I'm gonna put
Good job.
I think we're gonna go live.